Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make okra soup in my own style. I have roux, I have mushroom, I have bitter leaf, I have dried fish and stockfish, maggi, okra, palm oil, and washed spinach. I've washed crayfish. So that okra, I'm going to use this to slice it up. So guys, let's get started. I'm going to start doing this okra, start mashing it up. I'll be using this to, I'll use this, I think let me use a smaller one. I think everybody have used this before. Do it all over. Finish blending the okra. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 cup of water into my pot. Then next thing I'm going to add my grounded pepper. I'm going to be using a wooden spoon. My ground pepper is inside the pot. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be adding my stockfish. And I'm going to stir it. I'm going to add 2 spoons of 2 maggi and cover it up. This I would like to boil for the next 10 minutes on low heat. The next step, I'm going to be, my stockfish has finished grinding. So what I'll be doing now is to add my crayfish, my grounded crayfish. I'll stir it. Then I will add my roux, bitter leaf, and my mushroom. This for this. So the next step I'll be doing now, I'll be adding my palm oil. It's a quick recipe, very quick. Palm oil. And I'll stir it. Then I'll cover it up. So I like to boil for the next 10 minutes. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'll be adding my spinach to the bitter okra soup. But this time, I won't cover it, I'll open it up. I'll stir it so the spinach will dissolve. While I'm stirring, the spinach will dissolve. As I've finished adding the spinach, and the spinach is fully dissolved. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be adding my dry fish. And I will stir it round. Then I'm going to add 1 maggi cube. Stir it round. I'll allow this to cook for the next let's say 6 minutes. It's quickie soup. 6 minutes. So I'm going to cover it up now. and let it cook for the next 6 minutes. So the liver finished boiling and all the fish and everything have mixed together and the taste is out. So because I don't want my fish to break, I'm going to bring it out again. You could remember my fish was frozen, so I put it into just to get the taste into the soup. I'll bring it out again, out of the soup. Oh. So now I'm going to be adding my okra. I'm going to stir. This time around, I'm not going to cover it. Oh, they see on that fish inside. Let me bring it out. Look at this fish. So now I'm going to stir around, and now I'm going to reduce the heat to low heat. Now it's on low heat. I'm going to stir around. I'm going to stir it around and allow this to cook for the next 3 minutes because it's okra. I don't want all the nutrients to disappear. Let it cook for the next 3 minutes with the stockfish. I won't cover it. Now the soup has finished cooking for the next 2 minutes. I'm going to add back my fish which I took out. Allow this to simmer for the next, to cook for the next 3 minutes or 4 minutes, depend on your choice, on a very low heat. Now the soup is ready to be eaten by me. So thank you guys for watching. If you like my video on how to use frozen dry meat to cook your food, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my video. Comment. Alright, thank you very much and bye for now. Bye.